Hello guys, what is up? I hope you all are in good health. This is Technocrat Dhruval, and in this video I am going to explain what is Airdrop. I will also be showing you how to turn on Airdrop and how to use Airdrop in iPhone. So do watch this video till the end to understand the entire process. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. You can also follow me on Instagram at Technocrat_Dhruval. So without keeping you all waiting, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have two iPhones here with me. I will show you how to transfer files between these two iPhones with the help of Airdrop. Before using Airdrop, you need to make sure both the devices should be connected to the internet. Now I will show you how to turn on Airdrop. The procedure is simple. Please swipe off, long press the Wi-Fi button, Airdrop, everyone. Same way we will do in this device. Swipe up, long tap Wi-Fi button, tap Airdrop, select everyone. So now Airdrop has been turned on in both the devices. Now what will I do is, I will transfer file from this iPhone to this iPhone via Airdrop. So I will open photos. Let's just say I want to transfer this emoji to this iPhone. So what will I do is, I will go to here, this icon, share. I will tap Airdrop. You can see this phone's name is iPhone. It is already here. So I will tap it. It will ask for permission in the second phone. Please accept. And then you can see the file has been transferred. So guys, the procedure is simple. The use of Airdrop is very much useful. So guys, I hope you understood the entire process of using Airdrop. If you think this video was useful to you, then please hit the like button. If you have any kind of questions, then please feel free to ask in the comment section down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram at Technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.